Hey guys, Gracie here. Today we're going to talk about planning a pollinator container garden. Pollinators are essential to our ecosystem and provide vital natural resources. As a new gardener, I wanted to attract these pollinators but wasn't quite sure where to start, especially because I don't have the space for a full garden. But I learned that I can use container gardens on my patio to plant pollinator-friendly flowers that bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds will love. A combination planter with a mix of annuals and perennials like this really is the perfect recipe for pollinators. It gives them the opportunity to choose from a delightful variety of colors, scents, and shapes. I chose Creeping Jenny because bees love this. It looks nice trailing over the pot, and a lot of people don't know that it actually flowers. Purple Salvia and Bee Balm are butterfly favorites. Both of these have pretty violet and pink coloring, so they'll be a hit with a number of pollinators, including hummingbirds. Pollinators are also drawn to fragrance. I use lavender and white salvia for their aromatic qualities. You could also mix in sage or rosemary for even more fragrance. The Shasta daisy is a classic favorite and adds a touch of bright white and yellow to the blend. Container gardens bring a lot of life and color to outdoor spaces. For mine, I chose this plastic terracotta container. I love the look, and this one is super lightweight and easy to move around. Make sure you choose a container with good drainage. A hole in the bottom is important. Use a good quality potting soil mix with some starter fertilizers to give your plants a healthy start. Finally, don't forget that watering is crucial for keeping your container garden healthy, especially in the heat of the summer. The pollinators will be headed your way in no time. For more information on choosing the best containers and accessories, and for products used in this video, check out the description below. Stay tuned for more episodes of Let's Grow. Happy planting! Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more ways to make your life beautiful.